Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and reading some amazing books. In today's video, I'm going to recommend you a book that is light, sweet, fun, heartwarming as well as heart-wrenching at times. So if you are someone who is in a mood to read something light and very easy, then I think this is the book for you. So stick around this video to know everything about this book. So I'm going to talk about this book, Three Knots by author Sheetal, and this story is about love, betrayal and second chances. These three themes were the highlight for me that made it a success. And like I said, this is a very light fiction which you can read very quickly and easily without any hindrances as such. This is a story about a guy named Ishan who is handling his family's business, and he's kind of done with all the futile relationships he has had in the past, and he simply now wants to focus on his future, making his career, working towards it. He does not want to engage in any commitment as such. He does not want to get into relationships or do any kind of things that may be divergent for him. And but it is said that love comes to you when you least expect it, and it is not something which you can control from happening. It just happens. You cannot control it, right? So the story continues where Ishan finds a girl named Pari in his office, and from there they actually meet each other and they start interacting. There are also other side characters, who are a part of the story, and initially, there's a lot of strain among all of them, so I'm not including all of that here, but I just want to include like the sweet parts in the video. So it's about how Ishan meets Pari, and from then on, nothing ever remains the same, because like I said, love changes you. It totally makes you a different person, and I don't think so that you are actually the same person that you were before you were in love and after you have fallen in love. It changes you. It definitely changes you. And I feel that if you do not really value the love you have, you might just regret the only chance you had. And so it's very important that if you have love, keep it and value it. Otherwise, you just don't know what might happen. As the story progresses, the characters develop, and we also get to know the story of Pari and her traumatic past, which she was, silently enduring so beautifully. I think we all are fighting some battles inside, and no one is really aware about them. So I really liked this theme as well in the book, because it included all of these themes in a very beautiful yet very connected to the story. It did not feel like it's going off the story. This story also has family drama, which I enjoy thoroughly, and I love the affection and love, the bonding, the connection and everything which they show about families. So that was another element of the book which I really enjoyed reading, and I love how families affect you, they change you, and how they influence you. So all these kind of things I really enjoy while reading a book. Also, I forgot to mention that if you are someone who like to read office love stories, workplace love stories, then I think this is another reason why you should be reading this book, because Ishan and met each other in the office, and there happens a lot of drama, a lot of politics, a lot of stuff that happens, and I think you will enjoy, because I did. Other than this, I found the writing style to be quite simple and easy. So if you are looking for something easy, then I think this can be your next read. And I found that there was a little exaggeration on some parts, and it could be easily eliminated to make the story more smooth and short. Other than that, I found it a great read, a relaxing read. If you just want a break from everything and want to read something that's peaceful and ends on a happy note. This is it about the book. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and keep reading.